How to unhide apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe to the app library on your phone. The app library is a space located at the very end of your home screen pages that automatically organizes all of your installed apps. Once you are in the app library, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, you'll see a section called Hidden. Tap on it to use your Face ID and unlock it. Now, tap and hold the app you want to unhide. From the options that appear, tap on Add to Home Screen. You'll get to see this pop up right here. Tap on Unhide App. If the app is still not in the home screen, go back to the app library. Tap and hold the app and drag it to the side. Now, just place it anywhere you like on the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily unhide any app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.